and do all our final processing.
And I guess, yeah, if there's any other minor advantage, we're further away from the CTD and the water column sampling.
That's right. That's a good point. And they're going to set up a table in there, and this is again called the off-staging area?
Yes.
Okay. Then we'll just share that. We just need a little space.
This is my spot.
What's the name of it? What is
my
it?
spot?
What is it?
Spot today because he's sharing with me.
What's the name of this room?
This is the wet
lab.
Wet lab. Okay.
Otherwise known as Chem.
Okay.
This is my spot, and I'm not sharing it with anybody.
Okay. Including the sink, I take it.
Includes the sink, the vise, and the hard hat.
Okay.
Good.
This is our stuff. I mean, we can find places.
Another place to put it. We'll leave it all there now so people don't ask for that area.
Sign. This is Smith's space, starting at this pole.
Starting at the pole. Okay. Whose is
That's
this right
Catco.
here? Catco gets that. Then Sharon Smith.
And
John.
the deal is they're going to install a sink there.
Hold it.
The University of Miami. And what's going to happen down there is the sink.
This space here is going to have a sink installed, and that's critical. Sink right here.
Okay.
It's got all the plumbing already. They just have to install a sink.
That Brad Moran will put a drying oven there. Yeah.
That's what
Okay.
it says.
Susan Schoenberg here.
Wait, I got a few more.
Go ahead and show us what
This
you
is
got.
Ashton and Gallagher section.
Okay, we're going to start at this pole here.
Right to here, and it'll be combined with Campbell and Ashton, so we'll two
Okay.
projects
Yeah,
to
that's right.
share.
You have two projects, yeah. This is Dennis Hansel, and you're
from
taking
here?
all this space
From
here.
here?
Yeah, all the way where it says Cooper and Grebmeyer. You're going to take all
through
that
to
space
Hansel
over to Hansel.
to the end there.
It's just
Work
like
here.
the Oklahoma land run.
We're claiming this here.
And here are the freezers, very convenient for the people interested in ice and a fume hood. That's going to be shared, I think.
Yeah.
Summer, fall, the July cruise.
You're not coming, Al. No.
Actually,
Okay, this space that Hayo and Rolf are going to use will be used by you.
right, and John.
And John
Right.
Christensen. Well, I wouldn't forget that.
And both of them are going to stay in the freezer during the spring cruise.
Okay,
So they're
okay.
fresh.
All right, so that's the fall
Invigorating.
cruise, because, yeah, that's right, you guys aren't coming in the...
In Hayo, we're going to use some of the surge space for the spring because Ralph and Hayo are off in the summer.
That's right,
We've
yeah.
got a complete swap on that. We're in good shape.
Okay.
Doors, this big, this around, shove them under here, or shove them all. Actually, I was thinking, this is probably the best place. You can all get stuffed in here. The gamma counter can just slide under there. The computer here. That's all I need.
We're not going to be opening that door at all.
Probably not. So we'll just have the 4 pumps, just flash them like that, and then have a bench
Because what
thing
we'd
right
like
here.
to be
So we don't need any of this, Jay.
Okay.
This will all be through.
We'd like to be able to actually. Because what it is we come in here at the end of the station once every 12 hours, and we have these cores. It takes about 20 minutes to section them up. We need to can it.
Well, we can share this space with you.
Okay.
Why not, Lou?
This is Jackie. They need them in AFCON. Are there any in, I don't know.
Let me go up and see.
Why? Yeah, my dog misses me. I've gotten the word. My beagle. Blue. Huh? Blue. Blue. The dog. It's a beagle. Yeah.
Yeah, sad. Blue.
Oh, blue,
So
blue. Yeah, she's looking for me. She's still looking for me.
And how far are we going?
About 2,900 meters on
Oh.
according to the thermometer, but our guy Jane will last a little bit.
So at 25, I'll slow down and you tell me when we're getting close.
29.
I know. So 29 is how deep it is. We don't want to run it into the bottom. So I'll slow down at 25 and then you read on your thing as far.
You won't pick it up until we're about 200 meters off the bottom. So
Oh, okay.
You won't even see it until 27 plus.
Okay.
Looks like a temperature minimum.
Yeah, the minimum is at 130.
Okay.
Plus and minus about 10 or so. 140 plus or minus 10. This is your 140.
Yeah.
So this it's already dropped. So here's the white thing around.
Can we get a fluorometer in the upper 250, or is that too hard to do?
Not on the first go around. I can
Yeah.
replot it secondly at the end.
Okay, at the end.
I can make this. I can blow up this
Yeah.
picture.
Have you been seeing the deep chlorophyll maxima generally?
In the DOM fluorometer.
Oh yeah, the DOM, but
then it'll go slow.
yeah,
But
that's the lower halocline water.
no.
But this the regular fluorometer,
I think so. Just,
I would be surprised if there was really a deep chlorophyll maxima at 200.
well, we have this weird thing from Station 7. This is chlorophyll. So this is 200 meters.
Ten's good. Whatever you want. Yay. River Road.
Now you go to 9.
Chlorophyll max is at 17. It's number 9. We're gonna stand behind you. Make sure you did it right. You did. Like you wanted.
And those are your deep bottles.
Those are all yours.
5, Glenn.
Middle less objectives.
5, 4, and 3.
Middle less activity.
So nutrients is going behind you, right behind you. So
Oh,
they,
now, what's our next two?
you can do 5, 4, and 3. Yeah.
changed my mind. I used to be able to jug it. Big jugs take a long time. I think we should go inside more. No, I'm always good what you last. Yeah, that's right. First order. Watch another big on
The fantail might be the more appropriate place right now. They've reversed them a little bit.
Yeah.
They're situating so David can run the SAS for the above water passive optics. This obviously changes the surface characteristic to be at right angles or slightly greater than right angles to be able to get a handle on surface reflectance. It just gives us another measure for remote sensing. And in theory, if you can do these above water measurements, the system can be running while you're in transit. Like deck incubations that we're working on. They mimic the light levels in the water column. They start at the surface, working down from 100% to 50 to 30, 15, and 5. Their flow through for surface seawater cooling. We're taking out day-long incubations and putting in both day-long and short-term incubation. It'll be in for roughly 6 hours. We're doing carbon uptake, both C13 and C14. The large bottles contain nitrogen as well. We're looking at ammonia, urea, and nitrate to be able to handle, to get a handle on new production.
Or not, but you can see the filtering that you've got here.
And I'll explain. Again, this is 100, 50, 30, 15, 5, and 1% light levels. It mimics both the quantity and the quality of the light down through the water column. Ice sculptures, just as a byproduct here. These are just part of everyday life.
See that?
What did you
Oh, look at that! Look at that!
Holy smokes!
That's brown stuff. It's not what you think. These are algae.
And how come there's toilet paper with it?
This is not. This is what people call the hanging gardens of the Arctic.
So you're gonna go and measure transects, right, Hayo?
Yes, I'm going to measure transects. We're going down to the bottom, 3,000 meter. I'm going to take 2 breaths. I'm going to submerge myself, and I'll be back in about 5 minutes. See ya. Today's picture day, right?
Today's picture day.
Yeah, I'm taking pictures of you guys cutting up cores and stuff, so...
Why are you guys cutting up cores?
Sorry?
Why are you guys cutting up cores?
Oh, that's a hobby. Rolf, that's a hobby of Rolf's. My hobby is making holes in ice.
Oh, okay, okay.
We are going to catch some polar cod here in this region, and you know the best areas for catching polar cod is at ice salinities of roughly 7. And so we melt that core on board of the ship, and then we will determine the salinity, and then we know whether this is a good fishing spot or not.
Say hello, Jennifer.
Hello, Jennifer.
Nice transition there to the multi-year ice and stuff.
Everything.
Yeah. The only, I mean, it actually has too much, you know, the way the press gets into your face here, it's just disgusting, this paparazzi. But we're gonna put the press to work now. Jim, have you ever drilled a hole down to the depth of the Arctic Ocean? Probably not.
No, I have not.
Oh, but you need to. And you'll get that experience right now.
Down to 3,000 meters, huh?
Well, you'll just do the first 2 to 3 meters.
I think I can handle that.
Okay, so the way this works is we'll pull this out again. We have the sharp end of this stick, and we put that down into the ice and snow, and then we hold this straight up and we just turn the handlebar like that, applying gentle pressure to the top and listening to the grinding sound the ice makes as it is being flaked and transported up to this hole. And now it's all yours.
Excellent.
Austin, we'll walk over onto the other side of the ridge now with those guys.
Here, I'll spell you if you take my picture.
Actually, yeah, I just wanted to...
What do you taste?
Well, I taste it's actually multi-year ice.
Is it good or bad? Or just is?
It just is, exactly. So here.
Yeah. It's on.
Is that your personal camera, or?
It's me.
Wow. Nice one. Okay, so we got you here.
Yep.
Alrighty. Oh, it's already running?
Yeah.
Ooh, okay. So here's the Hornets. And the Hornets are going for the final, whoa, and another, oh gosh, and yeek, here's the extension bell. Gonna put on another extension here. Now, actually, just out of safety reasons, you should always
Use the pen?
well, use the pen and never let go of the bottom part if you have it in the hole. Because you never know.
Not my safety.
Here. Zoom in on this.
Like that?
If we got an electric drill, we'd get too cold. If we got an electric drill, we'd get too cold. Are you through, or?
Not sure.
So tell what kind of gun do you have?
It's a Winchester Model 70 375 HH Magnum.
Wow. Is that a rifle or a shotgun?
It's a rifle.
Okay.
It's show you one of the bullets.
Oh yeah, I'll see one of the bullets. These are polar bear stopping bullets.
Yes.
Let's see. Let me zoom in on it. Ooh. Ooh.
Wow.
That's pretty darn big.
Yeah, it's not very fun to shoot.
Why is that?
It's just a lot of kick.
Oh. What's the range on it?
Actually, I don't think the range is very big because it's such a heavy bullet.
Right.
It's just a lot of stopping power.
Yeah.
It's not
Yeah.
very heavy grained, and it's a really heavy bullet, so it won't go very far, but
Right.
go fast and hard.
Does the job, huh?
Right.
These are polar bear tracks. March. No. Well, that polar bear is just sitting out on the front bow. If you want to have a look at it, it's just kind of sitting at the. Yeah. It's, everybody's out there. We can spell you.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Okay. Oh, that's cute. I like that. Okay, we got to take care of our core, so we'll.
So we'll do that now.
Yeah. Okay, looks like we got mud.
Now the question is she going to get the surface mud off of the other floor, in which case...
You're adding bottom water to your cores.
Right, and sometimes it can stay clear and sometimes it can't. That's the best to be done, and then it settles out. How close are we to that station?
I don't know. The C-beam's not working, so I can't tell. You want me to call the bridge and find out? Sure.
Yeah, well I think it's just flip on that JOS chart.
Okay, I can do that.
Bed into the length of water over line, circumference. Now
We just look like we just crossed a 200-meter ice bath, and we're not quite in the center of the canyon, but it shouldn't be long.
Okay. We're gonna have to call the bridge though.
And tell them?
Yeah.
Just north of Wainwright, all the way up to Barrow in the shore lead, so we did real well.
Where are we now? We off? I like Icy Cape?
Heading down towards Icy Cape, yeah. Yeah, running along the shore lead's getting, well, variable. Sometimes wider, sometimes narrower.
Mm-hmm.
Scanning the ice right now to see if we can find any more walrus groups to fly back to today, later today.
Oh, you're going to go up again?
That's the plan so far.
Oh, that's great. Yeah. Yeah, I think I need to call Gay probably this morning and tell her where I think we'll be there in about 24 hours, something like that.
Yeah. Very good. A lot of gray whales tonight. Probably 30 different sightings of gray whales out here too.
How about them binoculars? What kind are those?
Swarovskis. They're good. Well, tell us what you do up here, Greg. We're on the bridge. We're in the Met Lab behind the bridge.
I usually sit up here and just relax and enjoy the day.
You guys just had a meeting on the CD. On the CD that you're making for the kids.
Yeah, all the data sets that we're collecting and how we're going to get them to everybody and how many CDs we're going to make and put on it. So,
will it fit, or how many CDs will there be?
Probably around 3 CDs. We're figuring between Sean and Lou and I. A lot of the data, like especially the satellite data, cannot fit on a CD at all, so those are on tape. Many hundreds of gigabytes for the satellite data. So I sit up here. This is one of the machines that I take care of, is bringing up some satellite imagery from time to time and making sure our data archival is working, so we're collecting all this great stuff for the field catalog and for use in the archive after the project.
Okay. We're making improvements all along the way.
You know, just little bitty steps.
Things that make life easier.
Yeah. Efficient.
Pretty soon we'll have robots doing this.
Good sized rocks. I wonder why we got such good cores.
You know, that's a good question. Because that's a whole rock right there.
Because we're just that good.
Alright.
Even set it down.
What if I just put that big rocket again? Oh, show me my design, my plunger design. We need to get that up. I created this.
Now this is a highly engineered plunger and the designer. We like it.
This was made from a broom handle that we found. This we found as well. This is a bucket top. We're gonna start selling these on eBay. Well, yeah, that too.
Quick!
Everybody goes, why can't?
Why not?
Oh, come on.
You're the star of the movie, Lou.
Oh yeah.
This is a fossil we found approximately 20 centimeters down in the mud. Given that he's older 25,000 years old, we think he may have been produced during the last glaciation event, probably across the land bridge. We found him deep in the mud. clear water on top of this box score. It tells us that the box came up undisturbed.
Doesn't come up any better than that unless it's maybe a HAP score.
Well, sometimes HAP scores, but they're much smaller.
I just gasped in the atmosphere when I lifted it.
Underneath it. A little quarter drill. Centimeter at a time. And then carefully slice off. Detailed slicing of box cores. This is what happens after you spend 6 years doing a PhD and multiple years going through the ranks of tenure and full professor. You end up putting mud in jars.
Probably doesn't look like much in there, really, on that.
So, and this was down at 25 centimeters, so thereabouts.
25 to 30, yeah.
And did you see more than one layer, or was
Yeah.
this just one layer? There were several of them.
Several. Three well-defined layers at 28 to 30 centimeters. This is very fascinating.
Well, we'll try to pass this on to the right people.
Yeah, good, because I'm not the right person.
Oh, no, you should say you're the right person so you can get some additional funding. Yeah.
Charlie wants us to take this deep sampling because he wants to see what's in this scattering layer that he keeps coming up on his ADCP. I have a feeling it's probably these big guys here.
Yeah, I can see them on the videotape. I don't know how this will look, but we'll look.
Got lots of phytoplankton. I'm not sure what it is. It's a small chain-forming diatom. The larger round cells are Cosmonodiscus, but then we have these as well. These long chains of diatoms throughout the whole sample. If you go to higher power, you can see it all in there.
Yeah.
Just loaded with it. Look, here's a Calanus antennae, and you can see it's got lots of precini, but they're not that long actually relative to the antennae itself. See all the little seedy coming off? The other predators, other copepods swimming by. See how long they are? So if you look for those, that's one way to distinguish between them. Really long seed.
I do a lot of sitting and watching.
It's you again.
Was this a pretty diverse station? Or you're looking at the ones we just collected?
Yeah, today. It wasn't very good for a 100-meter station.
A lot of rocks.
Yeah, a lot of rocks and just not much stuff, really, compared to what we've been getting at the other 100-meter stations. I'm just taking the foot and the mantle off of these little things so I don't get the stomach, because the stomach is new carbon. And if you do isotopes on that, that'll be your strongest signal, you know, not the incorporated carbon.
So you don't know whether duct tape burns or not? Huh?
Yeah, it does burn.
It does.
You don't. You don't have to. You don't have to have burned it to know that duct tape burns.
Well, why not? Why not?
It's just obvious.
Well,
it's just obvious.
He's playing Spock. He doesn't have to see a hammer fall on a planet with a positive gravity to know if he lets it go, it falls.
So it's just obvious from the way duct tape looks.
you're aware of what duct tape is made of?
No, I am not.
It's got cloth. It's a cloth impregnated in an adhesive.
Right.
And
what's the
do you think
stuff?
cloth burns, and do you think adhesives burn?
Absolutely. But what about the silver
So you
stuff?
put them together. Do you think that means they don't burn?
I don't know. What happens to the silver stuff? Yeah.
The silver stuff? Oh, the silver stuff.
Yeah, the silver stuff.
That probably burns too.
Well, do you have a match?
Learned a lot of lessons this trip. That was lesson number 1. There's nothing on this one. Thank God. What's that? They look pretty good. Pump number 4 didn't look so hot. Only like 600 meters. Still good.
So we get a swear while your video?
Yeah. Oh yeah. We can edit it out later.
Excellent. It's gonna happen.
Right here, these bad boys gotta get toasted.
You can tell us what you're doing. That helps.
I'm listening to Bon Jovi on my new bingo speakers. I'm actually, right now I just concentrated protein and now I am adding buffer to it. That's about it.
These are out of your water samples collected this morning.
Yeah, they're BSA incubations, which are protein incubations. And then I'm going to run them on the spectrophotometer tomorrow.
Okay.
See if we can
Cool.
measure how much protein's left in there.
Okay. All right. You could tell us what you're doing, Mark, if you want.
Fluffing fiber.
What's that?
Fluffing fiber.
Okay. You want to articulate what's going on here?
Mark is fluffing fiber.
Yeah. Okay. What's on the fiber?
Manganese. It's a manganese oxide impregnated fiber.
Yeah, that's a big word.
It is a big word. And Mark is fluffing it. First he impregnated it, and now he's fluffing it.
Okay.
That bright face lightens up the
Yeah,
whole room.
nice silhouette there. Yeah.
Look at his happy smiling face. Every day at sea, you get kind of crazy. You got a screw loose over there?
Oh, there's pigs.
Oh, there you go. Okay, all right, let's get them. One of the 101 uses of duct tape.
Don't get me on tape.
I'm about out of film. I've got the red. It says 0 minutes.
Oh my God.
Go
See, the
with it.
good thing about me picking it, if it doesn't work out, you can blame it on me. You can say it's all Lou's fault. And then the other thing is, if I pick out your husband, I have to give you a big wedding present.
Okay.
Big
I think it's a good deal. I'm ready to risk it.
To risk it?
Yeah.
Don't put that on tape.
My parents still don't understand what I do. They can't understand when I move. Every time I move to a new institution, they say, "Oh, that's good. Maybe you won't have to travel as much anymore."